How to use Bitcoin Machine. Bitcoin Machine are an excellent way to purchase your first Bitcoin holding. As the name suggests, Bitcoin ATMs function in a similar fashion as automated teller machines provided by banks. The difference between the two, however, is that Bitcoin machines give out Bitcoin instead of dollars or other currencies. In this video, you will learn how you can make your first Bitcoin purchasing using a Bitcoin machine, ATM. Before we move on, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's see how to use the Bitcoin machine now. Step by step. Step 1. Find a Bitcoin machine, BTM, near you. Bitcoin ATMs, also known as Bitcoin teller machines, BTMs, or Bitcoin kiosks, are usually located in cafes, bars, or shops whose owners are open to this new financial innovation. However, each city only has a limited amount of Bitcoin ATMs, which means you won't find one at every corner. But there are some resources you can use to find the nearest Bitcoin ATM to you, such as CoinItRadar, Coin ATM Finder, Bitcoin ATM Map, etc. Step 2. Open a Bitcoin wallet in your phone. Before visiting your local Bitcoin ATM, you first need to download and set up a mobile wallet on your smartphone. There are dozens of Bitcoin mobile wallets to choose from. One of the easiest to get started with is Binance Wallet, which is available for both iPhone and Android, and also comes with a web version. To create your own wallet, download the app, register using an email and password, and that's it. Get the link below the video in the description. Step 3. Buy Bitcoin at the Bitcoin ATM. Hoping now that you have set up a Bitcoin wallet on your phone and have located a BTM near you, you can buy your first Bitcoin using a Bitcoin ATM. The buying process varies slightly from BTM to BTM. But, generally, the process works as follows. Step 1. Access the BTM dashboard. Step 2. Type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Step 3. Enter the cash amount into the BTM. Step 4. Scan your wallet's QR code to receive the Bitcoin. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm. Step 6. Receive the coins in your wallet to complete the transaction. Let's see a real-life example of a Bitcoin purchase at a BTM. Let's use an example of Limelight Bitcoin ATM. To buy Bitcoin at a Limelight Bitcoin ATM, first, you click on the screen and push the Buy Bitcoin button in the center of the dashboard. Next, scan your Bitcoin wallet's address via the QR code that your wallet app provides. That is how the ATM knows which Bitcoin wallet to send the BTC to once the transaction has been completed. Next, put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. In this case, let's use €20 worth of BTC. Once the BTM has received the notes, it will automatically send the Bitcoin to your wallet. The last step will be the transaction confirmation that the Bitcoin ATM will show you. At this point, you either have to wait for a few more minutes to receive your coins, or they are already in your wallet. That depends on the amount of activity on the Bitcoin network at the time of the purchase. And there you go. Now you have purchased your first Bitcoin using a Bitcoin ATM. In addition, Bitcoin ATMs can also be used to cash out your Bitcoin investments. However, not all BTMs are two-way. So, make sure you check whether your local Bitcoin ATM can process buy and sell orders if you are planning to cash you. As Bitcoin machines, ATMs, are probably the easiest way to get your hands on Bitcoin, it is important to note that BTM fees can be quite high. Therefore, if you are planning on purchasing a large amount of Bitcoin, you are better off going through a reputable exchange that charges lower fees to make your purchase. That's what I had for you today. Before you go, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thanks for your support. You can tell me what you want to know so that I get you the full information about it. And remember to check the links in the description to see how you can get more profits with Bitcoin business, and other videos about Bitcoin.